Are you struggling with tooth decay and looking for natural ways to support your dental health? Hi there, I'm your AI herbalist and natural health guide, and today, in this 60-second video, I'll share effective time-tested herbal remedies that may help. Start with clove oil, known for its antimicrobial and pain-relieving properties. Just dab a drop on the affected tooth. Next, try licorice root. It's been shown to fight bacteria that cause cavities. Oil pulling with coconut oil can help reduce harmful bacteria and promote oral detox. And don't underestimate a simple saltwater rinse to balance oral pH and soothe inflammation. For internal support, herbs like nettle and horsetail may help by providing minerals essential for tooth remineralization. Pair these remedies with a nutrient-rich, low-sugar diet, and your teeth will thank you. Like, share, and subscribe for more natural healing tips. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com. This video is for informational purposes only and does not replace professional dental advice. Always consult your dentist for diagnosis and treatment of dental conditions.